Have you ever wondered how a machine can learn to think like a human? It's not magic. It's a fascinating process called machine learning. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore the 5 key steps that turn raw data into intelligent action. So, grab your virtual lab coat and let's dive into the world of AI. It all begins with data. Imagine a vast, chaotic sea of information numbers, text, images, sensor readings, all floating around. This is the raw material for any AI model. The more data we can gather, and the more diverse it is, the better our AI will be able to understand the world. This first step is called data collection. We're essentially gathering all the puzzle pieces before we can even think about putting them together. But raw data is messy. It's often incomplete, inconsistent, or just plain wrong. Think of it like a library where all the books are mixed up, with pages torn out and some written in different languages. You can't learn anything from that. So, the next crucial step is data cleaning and Here, we act like digital librarians. We fix errors, fill in missing values, and organize everything into a clean, structured format, like a perfectly organized spreadsheet or a tidy grid. This step is vital because high-quality data leads to a high-quality AI. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say in the field. Now that our data is clean and organized, the real learning can begin. This is the training phase. We feed our pristine data into a machine learning algorithm. Picture a complex network of interconnected nodes, like a digital brain. As the data flows through this network, the algorithm tries to find patterns, relationships, and insights. It makes a prediction or a decision, compares it to the correct outcome in the data, and then adjusts its internal connections to get closer to the right answer next time. This process is repeated millions, sometimes billions, of times. With each cycle, the model gets smarter, refining its understanding, much like how we learn from practice and repetition. Once our model has been trained, how do we know if it's actually any good? We can't just take its word for it. That's where the testing phase comes in. We take a separate set of clean data that the model has never seen before, and we use it to quiz our AI. We ask it to make predictions and see how accurate it is. Does it correctly identify cats in photos it's never encountered? Can it accurately forecast sales for the next quarter? This is the final exam for our AI. If it passes with flying colors, it's ready for the real world. If not, it's back to the training phase for more practice and fine-tuning. Finally, our AI has graduated. It's time for deployment. This is the moment we've been working towards. We integrate the trained and tested model into a real-world application. It could be the recommendation engine on your favorite streaming service, the navigation system in your car, or a medical tool that helps doctors diagnose diseases. Once deployed, the AI starts making real-time decisions and providing value. But the journey doesn't end here. The world is constantly changing, so we continuously monitor the Model S performance and retrain it with new data to ensure it stays sharp, accurate, and helpful. So there you have it. From chaotic raw information to a smart, deployed application. Data collection, cleaning, training, testing, and deployment. These 5 steps are the fundamental building blocks that power the incredible AI technology shaping our future. It's a continuous cycle of learning and improvement. A beautiful dance between data and algorithms. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the machine learning process. I hope this demystified some of the magic behind artificial intelligence. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations into the world of tech. See you in the next one.